What are you doing? Did you forget to take your chopsticks? Oh my god! It's alone again. Today this chicken leg is mad. No matter how confuse him and kill him. Well, did you eat it first? The dog ate it first. Himself so mad to us that I am really pissed. Get angry and later clean up everything. What's the matter with eating? I'm really pissed when you see you. Okay.